Hello guys, this is leathertoolz. Today I'm going to do a review on ksblade punch hose punch. This is made by ksblade, and I previously showed you guys unboxing video of this tool, and I'm going to do a demonstration of how this tool performs. Quickly going through the catalogs you will receive if you send them email. By the way, here's the contact info. You can contact them or email them, or give them the call, or give them the fax. Okay, now here is hose punch right here. This tool is named hose punch because it makes lots of holes. There are sizes 1.5. This is the 1.5 millimeter size holes, and the spacing between the holes is 10 millimeter. There are only these options, but you cannot ask them for custom. I did 10 millimeter, just to be, the number 10 would be easier to calculate for what I'm using. So this is 80s, so the price is going to be $160, and you can buy replacement punch. So either one of the punches goes wrong, you can easily replace one with the unscrewing the hex key, and then you can replace the punch. These are usually made for used for watch strap makers or belt makers, because they need to have a consistent of holes with the alignment and exact same spacing. I used to make a lot of watch straps for Panerai, and one thing the tricky was if you don't have skills, or you don't have some kind of jig, the holes between each other and the alignment hole wasn't was critical for the high-end watch straps. So if you are a strap maker, you gotta do it carefully with the alignment and the holes you're making. So if you want, if you are watch strap makers, this is definitely the tools that you need for your strap making. I highly recommend this tool. For the specs, these are all entirely made of bearing steel. The punches itself is bearing steel. I don't know exactly what kind of bearing steel it is, but they are making punches for 30 to 40 years now, and they're exporting their punches to Japan and other countries for other industry. They now started to make leather tools now, so they're confident about their products. So good high quality bearing steels used, professionally heat treated, and the head is just side view for the reference. The head and the handle is also made of bearing steel. It's not sure if it's heat treated, but it has a good weight in it, so it has a very good stability of tool, so you can lay your holes punches very stable, and you can hit it with your hammer. It's not too heavy. It's just a great amount of weight you might have in your tool. Okay, so enough of talk. So I will demonstrate how these punches perform. Usually I lay some of the heavy blocks of steel or granite, but I'm going to just perform on a rubber mat. And if since the spacing is very large, I gotta tell you, the punch holes, they have a maximum size. The smallest you can buy is 1.1 mil diameter, and the largest is 2.5 mil. So you gotta choose between 1 to 2.5, and the 8 tooth is the maximum you will have, because if it gets longer, the force will be divided into lots of punches, so it will not penetrate the leather easily. So you gotta keep the length smaller for you if you want to do the good cutting. Okay, I tested this, so I honestly say mine have hits the maximum almost. The company said the head shouldn't be over 80 millimeter. Mine is 75 millimeter. So I have some of the I have to hit it very hard to cut this. The recommendation is 8 millimeter spacing, but I went with a 10, and it's the maximum it's 8 teeth now, so it's very long. So this is not intended by the maker, but I just made a custom. So what I want to say is I have to hit it very hard to make the good punchlines, but it cuts good. But what I want to say is that don't go crazy on the punchlines, okay? You cannot go to this much or this much, okay? You gotta keep the head small to get the good results. If you have some kind of hand press, then you can stick your punches and you can lever down this punch. Then your choice is up to you. They can make for you, but if you're using only hand tools with your hammer, you gotta keep the head smaller for the better impression on the leather. Okay, just my opinion on that. Tips from the manufacturer also. Now I'm going to hit this to show you how this punches. This is batch 10 leather. To oops, just one more time. Okay, now here's the result. It makes great consistent holes, right? The back here, very clean cut. Let's widen this. Oops. Yeah, it's a great cut. Yep. Come on, focus. Alright. For your watch straps, for your belt. Oh, and one tip though. Mine has a 10 millimeter width between the punches. If I take out one of the punches with the hex key, I get 20 millimeter wide punches. If I take out two, I will get 40 millimeter wide teeth. So for your belt or other projects like bag, sling, whatever, you can imagine your do imagination, then taking out one of the punches and you get wider lengths between the punches. And the 10 millimeter is the center of the hole, and center of the hole, that's the length we are talking about, not the starting from the end of the circle and not the end of the circle. Okay, it's this between the length between the center of the hole and the center of the hole. Okay, now this was KS blade hose punch, and if you guys wanna, you guys are interested, please contact here, and I will see you guys in the next video. Oh, if you like the video, please do thumbs up and subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.